So now we are going to frost the vanilla cupcakes that were made. So you can see the beautiful site here, a lot of colorful fillings and frosting that we have worked on. So this leftmost is a cream diplomat with which I am going to frost the cupcake with a vanilla, plain vanilla cupcakes. Okay, so this I am going to use chocolate ganache as the filling and the chocolate mousse as the frosting. And to this I am going to use strawberry compote as the filling and strawberry mousse as the frosting. And to the last one I am going to use caramel sauce as the filling and caramel mousse as the frosting. Okay, so the leftmost one, let me start with it. Okay, so the plain ones are done, and for the ones that we need to do the filling, you know, there are two ways in which we could core. That is our nozzle, and I'm just going to go in and remove this part. So in this I could put in the filling. So I'm just going to use the nozzle and then just take out the cupcake. But depending on how much you want to fill, you could just go in and then make the cavity a little deeper. Okay, so this will be a vanilla and a chocolate cupcake. So I'm just filling in the center with chocolate ganache. I'm just going to use the chocolate mousse to fill. Okay, so your vanilla chocolate cupcake is done, and to the strawberry cupcake, I'm just going to use the strawberry compote in the filling. And use the strawberry mousse to frost. Okay, and the last one, I'm going to use caramel sauce. And use caramel mousse to fill. Okay, so now we have made one cupcake and then used all the different fillings that we've made to flavor the mousse base, and we have created all the different variations. So with this we just come to the end of the vanilla cupcake. These are nothing but assorted cupcakes because that is what I wanted to show. To start with one really nice vanilla cupcake, and then we have an array of beautifully done different flavors of cupcakes. Now this one, as you bite through, you're going to have the cupcake at the bottom and then the frosting on the top. When all the other three, you're going to have the filling on the inside. So as you're going to bite through, there is going to be a surprise flavor bursting out as you're going to go. So this will be the basic vanilla plain cupcake, and when you're going to also frost the strawberry mousse, for that matter, you could do that without doing the filling, and that will be your basic cupcake in your menu. and the ones with the fillings will be the exotic range of the cupcakes that you will be adding into your repertoire of recipes or the menu or the dishes and different other flavors of cupcakes. So using this idea, you should be able to do a lot of other combinations of flavors of cupcakes, and with this we come to the end of this particular lesson.